ॐ विष्णोनुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पार्थिवानि ममे रजागुंसेयो अस्तवायादुत्तरगुं सदस्तम् विचक्रमाणस्त्रेदोरुगायो विष्णोरराटमसि विष्णो पृष्ठमसि विष्णोष्णप्त्रेस्तो विष्णोस्तुरसि विष्णो ध्रुवमसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वाम् तदस्य प्रियमपाथोष्याम् नरो यत्तदेवयवो मदन्ते गुरुक्रमस्यात हि बन्धुभित्ता विष्णो पदे पदमे मद्ववुत्सः प्रतद्विष्णोस्तवते वीर्याय मृगो न भीमो गिरिष्ठाः यस्य ऋषो त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु अतिक्षीयन्ते भुवनानि विश्वा.
I just ask somebody else to recite the next one.
Aromatraya tava vrudhana nate mahitvam vanshtuvanti nate mahitvam vanshtuvanti Ubhete vitmarajase prithivya vishtadevatvam paramasya vichakrame prithivim meshayetam kshetraya vishnormanushe dashasyan dhruvaso asya kirayo janasah uruttakam sujanimachakara.
Next year, Satyasri
देव पृथिवीमेष एतां विचक्रमे शतर्चसं महित्वा प्रविष्णुरस्तु तव सस्तवीयान् देशगृहस्य स्थविरस्य नाम प्रविष्णुरस्तु तव सस्तवीयान् तवसस्तवीयान् तवसस्तवीयान् देशगृहस्य स्थविरस्य नाम अतो देवा अवन्तु नो यतो विष्णोर्विचक्रमे पृथिव्याः सप्तधामभिः इदं विष्णुर्विचक्रमे रेखानि दधे पदं समूढमस्य पादं सुरे त्रीणि पदा विचक्रमे विष्णुर्गोपा अदाभ्यः ततो धर्माणि धारयन् विष्णो कर्माणि पश्यत यतो वृतानि पस्पशे Indrasya yujyasakha.
So in our non-heard thing, because I think we have explained all these mantras, and these mantras, when you are every time these mantras pose a challenge for you. You have heard so much, you read so much, you know the meaning, but try to, because the mantras are always new and new and new. Although you have got the explanation done and all that, but they still pose a newness, novelty for us. But I don't go again. But let me complete the last 2 mantras and go to the next sukta. And you have already taken some notes, and recordings are also there, which are benefit of many more people who are not able to be present. Now I shall read this particular thing, because Vishnu has been a very constant support for any and everybody in the world. And there is a lot of importance for the Vishnu Sukta. I mean to say that Vishnu Devata, and knowing about Vishnu is something knowing about everything. Because in Vishnu all gods are there, and in all gods Vishnu is there. Not only in the divine people, also in all kinds of species he is there. Therefore, we have got to think of the location or the residential quarters of this Mahavishnu. All are Vishnus, but there is Mahavishnu, the chairman of all Vishnus. So what is that Mahavishnu? Where is he? And who would be able to constantly visualize? It's a vision, it's a perception, and knowing the concept. So who would be able to do it? That clue is being suggested by the Rishi to us in this 11th mantra. I repeat, you please repeat 2 times. Om tad vipraso vipanyavo jagruvam.
Om tat vipraso vipanyavo jagruvam indate.
Om tad vipraso. Spend some time as you're sitting in the steering wheel. When you have got steering wheel on hand, you are very careful. You allow the wheels go on steering wheel and help you while driving. Like that, even these shabdas or syllables in Veda require some kind of time spending. That's what we call it as a matra. See, the Rigveda pronunciation or any Vedic mantra pronunciation has got 6 factors. You must have learnt or told that varna, swara, matra, balam,
Samasantanaha.
So, first of all, this Siksha, Dhyaya. Siksha is rules of pronunciation. If at all a letter, a phoneme comes to you, how you can pronounce it? Because you will be activating the God, the power, everything when you start pronouncing. That's what we should do. We not, please remember, see, completing the whole sukta in 5 minutes is not important. Even if you recite slowly with bhakti, with understanding, with communication, and with message and submission, one mantra is good enough. If you repeat it more times, it will generate a lot of energy. Now look here. Please repeat. Tad vipraso vipanyavo jagruvan sasamindhate vishnor paramam padam. Yes.
Tat vipraso vipanyavo jagruvam sasmindhate vishnor yat paramam padam.
Vishnor yat paramam padam.
Vishnor paramam padam.
Very good. Now you see, samindhate, Vishnu, samindhate, indhana, samindhate, means to worship them or perform sacrifice or homa and all that. Who worship, who get the inclination to worship God? Not all people. You know how many people are devoted. There will be more rush in the cinema hall than in the temple. And with the very idea to go to temple or worship or do puja and all that is only a Daiva Anugraha. Therefore, such people are called as Viprasaha, Vipanyavaha, Jagruvamsaha. You will understand the qualification of anybody who are devoted bhaktas or upasakas or srotriyas. They must be Viprasaha. Vip means to vibrate. When you are reading a mantra, you should really feel the effect of the mantra on us. That's what such people are called Viprasaha. That's why Vipranudi. Brahmins, even among Brahmins, all we think that all are Sudras, but by samskara they become Dvija. But they stop with that Dvijatvam and many people. But we have to grow. Oh, ranks are there. So they are called Vipras, Srotriyas, and Brahmanas. All these ranks are there. So here Vipras are those who are responsive and who vibrate with the content of the mantra and power of the God. And Vipanyava means practical people. Jagruvamsa means they are aware of that. See, you should be aware of the Mahima, importance or application, etc. of a God, because there are hundreds and thousands of gods. And more than them, there are hundreds and thousands of rishis. So there is plenitude of people who are learned, who are having the idea of, but we have always the choice depending upon our circumstance and context. So samindhate. And yat Vishnoho paramam padam samindhate. So what is that they are doing? They are trying to locate and know about the padam, the location or dwelling, and which is paramam, highest, highly sacred, highly noble. Only Dhruva, I think in Bhagavatam told that he has gone even above the Vaikuntha Loka, as Lakshmi and Narayana are looking on. Although Lakshmi objected, what you are allowing that Dhruva go higher than your Loka, then Vishnu said, no, we are always subservient for the Bhaktas, but Dhruva seems to be of top importance, so let him go and create a world by himself, and therefore it became a Dhruva Loka. And a Dhruva Loka is constant, while other Lokas may, I don't know. That's why Dhruvam te Raja, Dhruvam, 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 Dhruvam. See the mantra Dhruvam, Dhruvam, Dhruvam telling you that constancy, permanence and conformity, everything is got to be done. That's why here, Paramam Padam Vishnoho Samindhate. So, what is our target in life? Just to recitate, learning Veda is one thing. Then we have to grow in the Vedic knowledge to be like Vipras, Vipanyas and Jagruvam. So, ಈ ಮೂರು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ವೇದ ಪಾರಾಯಣ, okay, you do it, okay, but you have got scope to go deeper. Whatever little time that we have got, we go deeper. And try to acquaint yourself what is the minimum thing that we could know in our present circumstances. Actually, you are all differently oriented and professionally rich. But still, Veda is a common factor to all people. See, one professor of physics after 75 years of Bangalore University, Raghavendra Rao, he called me to his house and said, Prabhakar, please come and see my library. Then I went to his library. Then there he said, Prabhakar, I have removed all my physics books, all my research student thesis. I have filled the entire my shelves with Rigveda, Puranas, and Yajurveda, and all Veda Samhitas, Puranas. Come please see me. Then he said like that, I was so much happy. It was such a wonderful thing. He had removed all his physics books because I am just enough, I have returned, I have done enough studies on physics. But now I want to know about Veda, Upanishatu, Purana, etc. ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಆ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ at least ಆವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. He has got that kind of idea, and we were in conversation many times. So why I am telling it is, ultimately the most common thing is Paramam Padam Vishnoho Yatu Tat Samindhate. Understand now the meaning? So what is that? That and Vishnu Pada nobody knows, but we have got to discover. We have got to find out. And to find out what we should be, Viprasaha, Vipanyavaha, Jagruvamsa. So that means that Vishnu is a Mr. Everybody and everybody is concerned, but still he has got his own heights of eminence and power, and that we have got to do it. And the same idea has been explained to us in the next concluding mantra of this particular sukta, a small one, and which you are all familiar. So please repeat 2 times. Satyasri, Paryaptya Anantaraya.
Paryaptya Anantaraya. Paryaptya Anantaraya.
Sarvastomotiratra.
Sarvastomotiratra. Sarvastomotiratra.
Ratra.
Ratra. Ratra.
atiratra
atiratra atiratra
uttamamahar bhavati
uttamamahar bhavati uttamamahar bhavati
sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai
sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there should be nodding because the pronunciation requires your head be moving. Otherwise, the letters won't properly be pronounced. Unless you pronounce the letter appropriately, the head must be moving. So it's a neck exercise, vocal exercise, and all other exercises. If I look here, how hard it is to decide sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai sarvameva tenapnoti. Repeat.
Sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai sarvameva tenapnoti.
Very good. So,
Sarvasyaptyai sarvasya jityai sarvameva tenapnoti sarvam jayati.
sarvam jayati.
Sarvam jayati. Sarvam jayati.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are not at all contented because this is an Ashirvad mantra, mantra and the mantra push mantra, and number of applications are there for this because it is ultimate essence of the personality and mahima of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu Sahasranamaದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಹಿಮೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1000 names. But here, who is this great God, Mahavishnu? And he is Anantaraya. All people will have Anantaraya, means having the infinite riches, not at all reducible. Raya means rich. Raya means Lord. Raya means authority. That's why you know that the Trivandrum Maharaja, means the temple, and Padmanabha Swami is the richest God in the whole world. Suddenly, even now we have got some 3-4 chambers which are not opened. So we thought that Tirupati God is rich. So who is now the Anantaraya is Vishnu only, but location and other things are important. So Paryaptya. So aptya, obtainable, paryapta, paritaha. Pari here meaning paritaha aptya. That Vishnu is everybody, at all levels you can catch hold of Mahavishnu. That's why we have got so many Bhavanarayana, Samudranarayana, Vipranarayana, Surya Narayana. Everything is that Narayanatvam is there. Paryaptyaha. And who is it? Anantaraya. And moreover, Sarvastomaha. See, Sarvastoma, stoma is also it be praiseworthy and all capable, and therefore Atiratra Uttama. See, Atiratra is a Agni Chayana concept. See, there are the Agni worship and Agni Stoma, Darsapurnamasa, Agnihotra, and so this Atiratra, that is, it will go for beyond the night also. So beyond the night, so it is a special Atiratra ceremony in Agrikarya or Agnichayana, and which will give you immense power. Among all these Agni Hotra or Agnikaryas, the Agnichayana is top. And moreover, it is all a form of the Soma sacrifice. And the Soma sacrifice is supposed to be a very important one. Will make any Maharaja to be, any Raja to be a Maharaja and powerful. That's why one of the So this Agni Chayana or Atiratra ceremony is taking place in the form of Agni Chayana for 12 days, and it will just arrange in the form of a falcon. Falcon is Garuda. So Garuda time shape alli Yajna Vedi create ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Around 1,005 bricks they arrange, and there are so many mantras in the Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. And so Atiratra, and I think in Bangalore also, some people have done Atiratra ceremony or this Homa, and I just remember, but I could not attend. I saw Soma Yaga being done in that Maharashtra Kalyana Mandapa in the Bull Temple Road some time back. But anyway, so Atiratra, Adu Uttama, and because of that, Maharbhavati. So because of the Vishnu Anugraha and Agni Anugraha, Vishnu is Agni again, Anugraha, what would happen to the devotee Maharbhavati? He becomes a Mahan. Mahan, something great. So everybody born upon the earth must leave some footprints on the sands of time. And whatever it is, one has to work for to be greatness. People are remembered. And I am so with great sorrow, we have to remember that Dr. Bhudev Sharma, whom I know right from 1995 and all that, he inaugurated that World Association for Vedic Studies Bangalore chapter in Mahanandamayi Bhagavat Bhavan. So from then onwards, he came to Bangalore, he inaugurated, and there was one Raghavendra Rao, a great leading lawyer at that time, and I don't know about them now, and that Kashyap is now running that Aurobindo Vedic Culture Center, and he was vice president, and we just have a function. And from then on, we have got our bank charter of waves, and that Bhudev Sharma is on. So he has done such a work. Suddenly, at the age of 82, 83, he just passes away, but I don't know the last condition. But last month, completely was there, and he was so much happy, and he attended our programs also 2-3 times. He had a mathematics conference in Mysore. At that time, we had one annual day celebrations. He came, inaugurated, and all the way right from morning, he came by car, attended the program for some time. In the afternoon, he went back to his sessions in the Mysore. So such a very important person for us. But we remember him. He may not be there furthermore, but like that, he is called Maharbhavati and Sarvasya Aptyai. See, Apti is attainment. We have got to attain a lot of things. We have got to acquire a lot of things, even in the realm of spirituality. See, spirituality is most important. Whatever mundane things we accrue, we have to leave and get out. What we love most, we have to give it up. We don't have any time. But what comes with us is Papa Punye Dve Eva Gachantamanu Gachanti. Papa and Punya are the only two companions which come along with us. All others will go down for. Even see, at the Mashana, all people will only on 10th day they say, I know more connections. So then he will take off. So for 10 days, the prani will be traveling in the stone, and all pujas are because stomach is burnt, our stomach is buried. So only the cloth water, if you just only that strain water, that only will be put upon the stone because no stomach. Then on 11th day they leave.
Vasodakam.
Correct. I was not getting the word. I know it. So, even the babies, even after born, sometime then unknowingly they will be biting the collar of the father or the mantle of the mother. They put in the mouth and then keep on chewing it. Anyway, so that kind of thing is there. So, Sarvasya Apti means we have to attain. In Kathopanishad, you have seen how Yama in the Agni Vidya or Nachiketa Vidya explained so many tires. Even Dr. Shashi Tiwari also explained to you the tires for our self-upliftment and all those things. Because Agni Vidya, Whatever vidya, whatever tapas, whatever puja, whatever positive spiritual practice you want to do, you should do in this birth only. ನಾನು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೀವು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವ ಅಂತ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅಜರಾಮರವತ್ ಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞಃ ವಿದ್ಯಾಮರ್ಥಂಚ ಸಾಧಯೇತ್ ಗೃಹೀತ ಇವ ಕೇಸೇಷು ಮೃತ್ಯುನಾ ಧರ್ಮಂ ಆಚರೇತ್. So it is said like that. And sarvasya jityai, understand, jiti, that's victory, jaya. So jiti means jityai, for the sake of all round success. That's why we have got a special prayer for Durga Parameswari, that ultimately there are so many forms of her, but for our Karya Siddhi, what is the mantra you should recite for Durga, because she is a work inspector. Durga Parameswari is a work inspector, spot decision maker, and she is the representative going with us. Therefore we say, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Jayasabdena Bhushita Namastasyai Namastasyai Namo Namaha. So Jayasabdena Bhushita, that we have got underlined, because we call it Jay Durga. So Durga Jay. Jay Durga Prarthana will give us that. So sarvasya jityai, and tena sarvameva apnoti, tena Vishnuna or Vishnu anugrahena, Vishnu ashirvadena, let us imagine, sarvameva apnoti, he will be getting all that destined for him. See, we have the destiny, we have set things to accomplish, and we have got to work for that. And what you want, you will get it. That's what all people will make blessing. Sarvabhishta siddhirastu, vanchitartha phala siddhirastu. That is, every individual got his own priority of desires. Desires are common to all people, but the priorities are there for everybody. And all those priority desires have got to be attended to by the divine force, because we are working, and what work we do has got to be crowned with success. That's why the prayer, the power of the God, we have got to invoke. At this crisis, so many people are dying. We have no opinion, but we have no gadget, we have no sadhana. Nobody can do anything. But a little prayer done makes them aware that they will be able to help if they are deserving to be helped in any manner. That's why apnoti and sarvam jayati. So sarvam jayati means there is nothing discrimination in the instance of conquesting things, because every day is a success and every day is a victory for us. Ammayya, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ನಿನ್ನೇನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. This is what exactly the hope. And that's why English people told 2 words, tomorrow is tomorrow. Tomorrow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ. 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 words. ಸೊ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಹೋಪ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಯಿಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೋಪ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆಶಾತಿಕಾ ಕ್ರಿಮಯೈವ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಶಾತಿಕಾ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹೋಪ್, ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆರಿಟಿ. Therefore, hopeless people are not there. Though you call him hopeless, he is hopeful for something different. All hopeful people, it depends upon the current condition context. So, sarvam jayati. That means all-round success has been granted in general to us. And so, what is the ultimate effect of the Vishnu Sukta or Vishnu Devara Anugraha means he is able to make you a responsible citizen. That is Mahar Bhavati. Bharat Mahan, is it not? So also Manju Nadik Mahan. That's what people should start telling, that Mahan. So Mahanta, in Sanskrit we say Mahantaha, Mahan. So like that, Mahar Bhavati, Why we have to become little Mahan? For the sake of Apti. Apti is one of the Ashtaiswaryas. You know the Ashtaiswarya. Prapti prakamyam ishatvam. Prapti prakamyam ishatvam vasitvam cha ashtabhutayaha. See, that's Anima Mahima Chaiva. Anima Mahima Chaiva. Garima Lajitma Tatha. Prapti prakamyam ishatvam vasitvam cha ashtabhutayaha. So among the ashtabhutis, this prapti is also important. And sarvasya jityam namaha. You can remember Anjaneya Swami, Hanuman. Hanuman. So Hanu is the killer. Man, Hanti. Man is the Ahankara. One interpretation is, so Hanuman means he has subdued Ahankara totally, and also he would help others also to get rid of the Ahankara. Many people do not budge. They are always egoistic. But that ego must be subdued, then only Paramatma will extend hand. So, and sarvameva tena apnoti. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You need not have any doubt. Anything, anywhere, anyhow you desire, there is scope for you to achieve it. So the scope is not exhausted. The scope is always there. My professor wrote for my first article on Agni, on my thesis, he said everything is good. Ultimately he wrote, the scope for improvement is not exhausted. That was the comment. The first comment by Dr. J.V. Devasthali, my guru in Pune. I wrote with all difficulty number of times, and then ultimately when I put him, sir, I will go in this model to write my thesis, then he said, okay, and ultimately the scope for improvement has not exhausted. Try. Oh God. So that is the higher people, Guru's Anugraha. And because of his because of his blessings and so many good gurus, I am able to meet you all people and able to tell something, whatever little I know. So, Sarvam Jayati, is it not? So, Namgen Beku life only andre Jaya Beku and Namge Apti Beku and Mahatva Beku, Uttamatva Beku. See, these are all the targets in our life stream. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಅದು. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ನಕೋಪಿ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಕರ್ಮ ಕೃತು ಕುರ್ವನ್ನೇವೇಹ ಕರ್ಮಾಣಿ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೆಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟಬ್ಬರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ ನೋ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ನೀನ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀಯ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ಮ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
ಶಾಂತಿ
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
I hope you understood the Saraswati Sukta, Vishnu Sukta, and our Sheshachala has taken so much interest. But the part 1 he has put, the 2 and 3 people are expecting in Atlanta, and sometime it will come back. So, and why is that? Because this Vishnu is everybody. And why we give importance to Vishnu? He has measured the land. He has given the scope of the land, and he has uplifted the land, the location for all people to stay on. So, ಈ ಭೂದೇವಿಗೆ, ಈ ಭೂಗೋಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಅಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು. Therefore, we always take the name of Vishnu 3 times. Vishnur, Vishnur, Vishnuhu. If there is a parakarma or aparakarma, we remember only Vishnu Sabda. So, Vishnu Sabda, Narayana Sabda, Jagannath Sabda, Vasudeva, so many names are there. And among all the many names of God, the Vishnu is a general God. Therefore, this Vishnu Sukta is important. But there is one more Vishnu Sukta